My dear friends, I am Sunil Kumar working as plant head in HeidelbergCement India Limited. By profession, I am a mechanical engineer with MBA having 35 years of experience in different verticals, maintenance, project manufacturing, operation and administration in cement industry. I have joined Jhansi Cement in January 2015, now an entity of HeidelbergCement India as unit head Sitapuram, Sholapur and now at Jhansi. For the last 7.5 years, I am associated with the organization. We are committed to continually enhance the occupational health and safety condition of our employees, contractor and third party. Our motto is someone is waiting for you at home. This itself speaks our aim to self-educate our employees coming on to work smiling and going back home smiling. This connects to our everlasting safety theme of zero harm. Apart from various KPIs on cost and energy saving, we have won the National Energy Management Award for the sixth time in a row to now. Jhansi is the highest cement dispatching unit among all the units of HeidelbergCement India. Now we also have started using economical green power, solar power, approximately 25% of total power being consumed, which will save cost as well as will reduce carbon footprint, CO2 reduction by 400 kT over the lifespan of contract. At HeidelbergCement, we are consistently working on environment sustainability initiative, which means fulfilling our share of the country's responsibility to tackle the most pressing social, economic, environmental changes. We are committed to fulfilling our share of the global responsibility to keep temperature below 2 degrees centigrade. We will continue to reduce our impact on air, land and water. We already have achieved to bring the temperature down more than 2 degrees centigrade inside our premises compared to that prevailing in 1 kilometer surrounding by increasing green cover all over the area. We are continuously working to maintain biodiversity in our operating location and developing flora all over. Jhansi unit is a plant surrounded in plants and fauna as well. Photograph of ducks roaming around pond, golf course, green Samriddhi garden and this is and inaugurated by Dr. Shoifley. We are committed to social support and economical development of our neighboring community and ensure transparent communication to our stakeholders through various CSR activity, which in turn translate our motto of being a good neighbor. Many educational support in government school and for poor children, infrastructural development program in rural village area, CC road, solar, street lights, drinking water, hand pumps, health programs, free camps, and skill development center. SVK is the Sakshamta Vikas Kendra for youth self-development drives. Under social accountability without any discrimination, we take care of human rights compliance for all associates under the guidance of senior management. Last not the least, HeidelbergCement is a better place to work for the aspirant for their professional growth, and we can surely say that we are thankful to the Heidelberg management for their kind support and encouragement. Thank you so much.